Hi students, in this video I am going to explain you about quadratic equation, exercise 4.1, second problem. Represent the following statement as a quadratic equation is your question. So they have given the question, they are not asked you to solve the question, they are just asked you to represent as a quadratic equation. You all know that what is meant by quadratic equation, that is you have to make it as a order 2. So come to the question now. Question number 2. The area of a rectangular plot. So we have taken one rectangle. So the area of the plot is 528. Total area of the plot is, so area is equal to, they have given us 528. Area of the rectangle is L into B, that is equal to 528 meter square they have given. The length of the plot is, 1 more than twice of the breadth they have given. So we don't know what is breadth, what is length. Suppose if I am taking the breadth as x, suppose I am taking my breadth as x, so b is equal to x I am taking now. What will be the length? The length of the plot is 1 more than, so 1 more than twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth value is x you should take. This is my length value. This is given in the question. My length is 1 more than twice of the breadth you have to take. Now just substitute here. In the place of L you have to take this 1 plus 2x and multiply by the b value is x, which is equal to 528. Just multiply inside. 1 into x is x plus 2x into x is 2x squared, which is equal to 528. Bring this term to this side. So 2x squared plus x, this plus term when you are bringing to this side it will become minus, which is equal to 0. Is the required quadratic equation since it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can stop here because you no need to solve the equation because they are asked you to just represent the equation. We have represented the equation. That's your answer. We'll go to the next question. Okay children. The product of two consecutive integers. What is meant by consecutive? Consecutive means continuous numbers. First number is 4 now, the next number can be 5. 5 means 6. Consecutive continuous number we should take. Product means multiplication. So multiplication of two continuous number is 306. So let us assume consecutive number. So consecutive integers. Let us take x and x plus 1. So x is my first number and the next continuous number will be x plus 1. Product means multiplication. So x multiplied by x plus 1 will give you 306. So let us multiply inside. X into x will give you x squared. X into 1 will give you x. This plus 306, if you bring it to this side, minus 306, which is equal to 0, is the required quadratic equation since it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. They are asked you to just represent, we represented. So that is your solution. We'll go to the next question now. So this is your third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So if Rogan is x years, Rogan mother will be x plus 26, that is older than him is given. The product of their age 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years, it will be 360. Product of their age, if you are multiplying their age, it will be 360. We would like to find the Rogan's present age. Here first let us assume, so let us take Rogan's age is x years. Now he is x years. So what will be the Rogan's mother age? So Rogan's mother age will be, mother is 26 years older than. So this will be x plus 26 years. So this is a present age of Rogan and his mother. Now actually the question is about after 3 years. The product of their age 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years, that is a meaning. So after 3 years, what will be their age we have to find. So this is for Rogan and this is for mother. So here now Rogan is x. So after 3 years, what will be the Rogan? Rogan will be x plus 3 and mother will be, now she is x plus 26. Now after 3 years plus 3 will be added. then she will be x plus 29. So this is the age for Rogan and his mother after 3 years. After 3 years they have given the condition. The product of their age is 360. So we are going to find the product. We all know that what is meant by product, we have to multiple. So we need to multiple these two ages. After 3 years ages we have to multiple. So x plus 3 into x plus 29, which is equal to 360 is given. Now we have to multiply inside. So x into x will give you x squared. X into 29 will be 29x plus 3 into x will be 3x plus 3 into 29, 9 3s are 27, balance to 8. So plus 360, if you bring it to this side, minus 360, which is equal to 0. So this is x squared plus, if you add this one, 29 and 3, it will be 32x. 89 and 360 we have to subtract. So 360 and 87 we are subtracting. 3 and 5, 2, 7, 273. So minus 273, which is equal to 0, is the required quadratic equation. So since it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you can add with this one. So let us go to the next problem now. This is our fourth problem. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So distance is given as 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. We don't know about the speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour is less. If the speed is getting less, it would have taken 3 hours more for the journey. If they are decreasing the speed, definitely the time will getting more. That is 3 hours more for the journey they have given for the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train is a question. So distance 480 km, you just take it. First, the usual speed we don't know. So let us take the usual speed as x km per hour. So this is given. Now what is the condition given means they have given the condition speed being 8 km per hour is less. Now the second condition, if the speed is going to be x minus 8 for the same distance equal to 480 kilometers. Here the timing we are going to take it as t1. Here the timing we are going to take it as t2. So timing t is equal to distance by speed. This will be 480 by x. This is a usual speed. This is the usual time taken by the train. Here time 2 is going to represent as the time. When the speed is less, what will be the time? We are going to find it here. Again, distance by speed. So 480 by x minus 8. Here the timing will not be same because it will get the change now. The change alone they have given to you. It will be taken 3 hours less for the journey or 3 hours more for the journey. Anything it will be. The timing, the difference between these two timing will be 3 hours. That is given. So which is a more timing it will be. Now this will be the more timing because speed is getting less. So time will be the more. So the given condition is the time T2 minus T1 will be 3 hours is given. So this is a hint given in the question. It will take 3 hours more. Now the difference between the timing is 3 hours. So in the place of T2 you take it 480 by x minus 8 minus in the place of T1 you just take 480 by x which is equal to 3. Just take the cross multiplication 480 into x 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 and divided by, here both will come x minus 8 into x which is equal to 3. Just multiply inside now. So 480x minus again 480 into x, again 480x. Again minus into minus will become plus, multiplication 0 8 8 is 64, balance 6 38. By denominator also you just multiple x squared minus 8x which is equal to 3. Plus 480x minus 480x will get cancel. So the remaining terms, numerator is 3840. Denominator is x squared minus 8x which is equal to 3. You just take the denominator to that side, it will become multiplication. So 3840 is equal to 3 into x squared minus 8x. Just multiply inside now. So 3840 is equal to 3x squared minus 24x. This plus term you just take it to that side, that will become minus. So 3x squared minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Is the required quadratic equation. Here they are asked you to represent only the equation, though we have represented. If they are asked you to find the exact speed of the train, we have to factorize and we can find the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, you can share with your friends. You can subscribe our channel for more videos.